Hi everyone, my name is Bianca and I'm a senior technical writer here at Landing AI. We just launched an updated set of pricing plans that include new features for all users and streamlined pricing packages. I'm going to introduce the new features now, and I recommend checking out our pricing page for the plan details. Our goal for this update was to make LandingLens more open, so we've added these features. All users can now use Landing Edge and Docker with no license required. All users can download models, and the number of credits charged for custom training now relates to the actual training settings. To use Landing Edge, Docker, or to download models, you'll first need to activate a project. Active Projects is a new concept in LandingLens. When you activate a project, you can download models from that project and use the models in Landing Edge and Docker. The number of projects you can activate depends on your LandingLens plan. To activate a project, click the User menu, select Active Projects, and click Activate a Project. In the pop-up, click the project you want to activate. If you're on the free or visionary plan, agree to the non-commercial use policy. Finally, click Activate. If you want to deploy the model online with Landing Edge and Docker, you're all set. Or if you want to deploy the model offline with those tools, or you want to use the Onyx file, download the model. To download the model, go to the project you activated. Click Models, click the Actions icon, and select Download Model. Again, if you're on free or visionary, accept the terms. Then click Download. The model is downloaded as a zip file. If you want to use the model in an offline deployment of Landing Edge or Docker, leave the folder zipped. Landing Edge and Docker will load the full zip file. If you'd like to use the model elsewhere, unzip the folder and locate the Onyx file. Finally, let's discuss how credits are now calculated for custom training. Until now, training one image cost 1 credit, and running inference on one image cost 1 credit, regardless of training method. Now, the credit cost for custom training is calculated based on your actual training settings. In general, increasing settings increases the cost, and decreasing settings decreases the cost. Let's see how this looks in a real project. Select Custom Training, set up your split, and scroll down to the bottom. You'll now see the cost calculation before you train a model, so you won't get any surprises. For this data set, the current cost to train is 25.12 credits, and the cost to predict is 1 credit per image. Let's see what happens when I make the image size smaller. Now the costs have decreased. Also, we haven't made any changes to fast training. Training and inference continue to cost only 1 credit each. And that wraps up the updates for this release. If you want to share how you've used these new features or have questions about how to use them, let us know in the community. And of course, check out our detailed documentation for this and all our features in the Support Center.